you can bring the ocean into your home with this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. I love the ocean. I love the smell of the salt in the air. And I love the sound of the ocean waves crashing on the beach. And I love the look of the pure blue water out there. You might like that too, especially if you don't live near the ocean and get tired of it quickly. So I found this. Now, it was interesting because I actually discovered on Instagram, I followed this artist out in California, someone who lives near the ocean, and her website is called Weffy Acrylic. I will put a link to it in the description below. But Weffy Acrylic makes ocean art, and there are a lot of videos of her doing this, and it's really cool because the output is really spectacular. It looks like the ocean, but the way she does this is with acrylics, and I will tell you, it looks like she kind of puts down this turquoise aquamarine color, the darker blue out here representing the deeper waters, and then I think she takes kind of this white acrylic suspended in clear acrylic, and then puts it down here on the beach portion, and then uses what looks like a hairdryer or some sort of blower to just blow it out, and then it smooths out and gives you this breakwater effect, the foaming effect of waves right there. So it looks awesome. And then in this case, this is a very tiny surfboard, but I'm not sure you would want a huge surfboard. It's kind of a beautiful multi-wood piece here, but pretty flat and maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. But then the wood color here actually represents the beach, so it's just a really cool looking thing. And all of her artwork looks like it is done in this style on different mediums, so kind of a half surfboard piece. In fact, I just recently saw her do a thing on a full surfboard, so someone commissioned that. They want to hang that up. But for most of us, we don't have unlimited space, so you want just a little bit of the taste of the ocean there, but you want something that you can hang on the wall, put on your desk. Now, what's really cool about this is that it's acrylic, so it's all really smooth. It feels like glass, and all of that design is underneath there, so you can't feel it. It's not going to wear away. In fact, around here, I think she trims all of that dried acrylic off on the edges there because it kind of pools and gets very thick, and it's kind of like plastic. There's also a hole right up here at the top, so you can hang this on the wall. Man, give your surf shop, your office, your home, your guest room, your hallway a little bit of that California beach look. Man, that is really awesome. Dude, it is so cool looking. I know that it is manufactured inside a shop with a hairdryer and acrylic paints, but when you look at this, it almost looks like you have a God's eye view of an ocean beach somewhere. It's just super, super cool. I love it. And the beautiful thing about this is every piece is going to be slightly unique because she hand makes everything. So if you want to pick up this, I will tell you it was $115, so it's not a super cheap piece, but it's just something that honestly, when you look at it, you can just kind of stare into this for hours, imagining you're at the beach, imagining you can hear the waves crashing on the shore, you can smell the ocean water, you can hear the seagulls. It's just something that you can absolutely lose yourself in because it looks so realistic, because it looks like you are standing at the water. Super, super cool. If you want to pick up this or many of the other things that she does, so you can get these in different shapes. She has all sorts of different types of wood designs that she can apply this to, and you can buy stuff and it gets shipped pretty quickly. In fact, I just noticed she signed it right there, 2022. That's when I bought it. Just made, fresh off the presses. Smells fresh. So if you want to pick this up or any of her other artwork, I'll put links to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.